hustle up. Element leaders, are all your people here and ready? Good. We don't have time to waste. We've got a problem at 213 Park. We have an officer undercover in the Los Locos for a while now, but his cover has been blown. Multiple reports are coming in about an assault in progress at the address the officer was using as his base. We've also had a rather distressing call from the officer himself. I know emotions get high at times like this, but from what we've heard, it doesn't sound good. I want you all to brace yourself for something nasty. We don't know who is there or how many. We just know we could hear screaming through the reporting calls, and they weren't even in the same property. The responding patrol units have also reported the forced entry into the officer's home. Uniform units are running on a skeleton crew right now because of this hurricane. So they were told to hold fire and wait for us. We've got no time to waste.
Who's the officer, sir?
His name is Mike Esperanza. No doubt some of you have met him before, or seen him around. But I need you guys to treat this like any other mission. Yes, he's one of us. But we can't afford to let emotions get the better of us here. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now all the details and a map of the area have been sent to your tablets. Check them out as we move. These streets are like rabbit warrens, and the damage from the hurricane has only made things worse down there. We'll have members of the public all over this. They'll be scared. I cannot stress how badly we do not need anybody shooting a civilian because they got spooked. Clear heads and solid fucking judgment here. For the avoidance of doubt, Esperanza is 5'8" with gray hair and blue eyes. He's been working under the alias Alejandro, so keep that in your ears while you're out there. Get your gear, get your ass in the seat and move. I want us en route 5 minutes ago.
Suspects have a foothold in this area and they're refusing to cooperate. Entry team, you are go to move and clear.
Stack up.
Affirmative.
Wanted.
No problem. Wand is ready. Multiple openings. It's clean. All good here. Door is good.
Move in. Clear it.
On it. Move! Got an opening here. Looks clearly here. Dropping a light. Good here.
Their homes and off the streets in and around the area.
This is Talk. Roger.
The LSPD have advised that they are dealing with the situation.
I'm going!
Public remains safely indoors.
Element to talk. Bagging.
Talk to lead. Secure it and keep going.
No concrete details at this time, but it has been reported that shots were fired. And that it relates to an assault and home invasion. Again, for those who are tuning in, this is a breaking news story.
On me. Move.
You got point.
Post up and cover.
Roger.
Use the mirror. Check for
All
targets.
right. Door's unlocked. Wand's ready. Got multiple openings here. No device here. We're clear.
On my move. Clear it.
I'm on it. Let's switch.
Move in.
Opening on the right. On the left.
Put your hands up now!
I got nothing here.
Stack up.
Getting into position. Good.
Mirror it.
On it. Mirror ready. Nothing. We're good. Looks good.
Move in and clear.
On it. Switch with me.
Moving in.
Looks clear over here, boss. Opening on the left. Empty over here.
Police,
Desk.
come on!
On my 6.
Right with you.
Hands in the air!
Drop the weapon and police, get down! Drop the weapon and get down slowly. Police, you're under arrest! Police, get down on the ground! Drop your weapons! Drop the weapon and put the weapon down! Get down on the ground now! Drop the weapon now!
To get down.
Down on the ground! Move! Get down!
And home invasion.
Turn around.
Safety
Again,
procedure.
for those just tuning in, this
Stay
is a
still.
breaking news story. Residents in the area of
Civilians
Gulf
leaving.
Street to their
Talk here. Trailers incoming.
advised to stay indoors while the LSPD
Leave the talk.
Talk to entry team. Doc copies all.
details as they come in. This is
Wait, I got a question.
inside their homes and off the streets in and around the area of Hope Street and
Post
213
up.
Park.
Copy.
The LSPD have advised that they are dealing with the situation.
Locked.
Members of the public remain safely indoors. Anybody who has information about the incident or
Use the
believes
wand.
they
Check
have
for targets.
information pertinent to
Wand
the
ready.
situation should contact 911. Please be advised to not leave your home. We have no
More than one
concrete
opening.
details at this
Looks
time.
good.
It has been reported
No
that
contact.
shots were fired and that it relates to an assault and home invasion. Again, for those just tuning in, this is a breaking news story. Residents in the area of Hope Street and 213 Park are being advised to stay indoors while the
Ram and clear.
LSPD deal
Done.
with an ongoing home invasion incident. We'll update you with more details as
Opening
they
on the
come in.
right.
This is a breaking...
talk.
Stay
Let me
on
see
me.
those hands.
I'm with you.
Police, don't move.
Come and get it.
Post up and cover the area.
Attacking.
Not going nowhere. We gotta run.
Damn it. Locked.
Mirror it.
Got it. Mirror's ready. Got some openings. Negative on any devices. All clear.
You ain't taking me.
Move, move, move.
Send for me. Swap with me. Knocking it down. Let's switch.
Moving.
Opening on the left. Nothing here. Dropping a light.
LSPD, get down. Put it down. Put it down.
Police,
slowly.
drop the weapon. Get down on the floor. Drop it now.
Okay, okay. This bitch ain't worth dying for.
I got it. Don't move.
Fuck you guys.
Hey. They're talking to talk. Suspect ready. Talk.
Talk reporting. Send them.
I'll face it.
This is Talk. Continue mission.
Provide support on me.
Got your six.
Check it with the mirror.
Yep. I got the wand. Several openings. Looks clean. Area clear.
Fall in behind me.
I got you.
Make me
Police! Hands up! Hands up! Drop the weapon! Drop it and get down! Get down now! Drop the weapon! Down on your knees! Police, don't fucking move! Police, hands up! Hands!
Lead to talk. Suspect is down but breathing.
Talk reporting. Never mind,
Evidence good to
Tim.
go. What a time to be alive.
Split the stack and provide cover. Mirror for suspects.
Doing it. It's over. Got the wand. We're good to go. Opening on the left. Safe. No traps. I got nothing.
Let's move.
Roger.
Let's go.
Opening on the right.
Nothing.
They are dealing with the situation and request that
Hands up now! Drop! Get on the ground now!
I can't!
Police, get down!
No!
Let me see those hands!
I'm innocent!
Good here.
I have to cuff you for our safety.
Ow!
Talk. We have a civilian in our
What, you
custody.
want a medal?
Entry team, this is Talk.
at this time,
Send them our
but
way.
it has been reported that shots were fired and that it relates to an assault and home invasion.
On my
Again, for
six.
those just
Got your
tuning
back.
in, this is a breaking news story. Residents in the area of 6th Street and 213 Park are being advised to stay indoors while the LSD
Post up and provide cover.
Moving up.
Check it with the wand.
Copy. Mirror ready. It's good. Clear.
Move in and clear it.
Copy.
Moving.
We should check everything. Nothing can light out. Checking the...
Put your fucking hands! Put your hands up! Get down on your knees! You're gonna be okay. Entry team to talk. Civilian in custody and secured.
Element, this is Talk. Trailers inbound.
This is a breaking news story. Members of the public are being urged to return to their homes. Have
On me.
advised that they are dealing with the situation and request that all members of the
Hands up back!
We have a suspect down here. Need 10, ASAP.
Lead, this is Talk. Make it stable and proceed with mission.
Slowly, get down on the ground. Switching mag.
Coming into handcuff. Suspect good to go.
Door flash and clear.
Moving up.
Switch. Breaching, breaching. Opening on the left.
Turn around. Don't get up.
Fuck you!
Element, talk. I'll get it. Suspect good to go.
Element, this is Talk.
Entry
Trailers
team to
ready.
talk. Esperanza located. We need Thames right now.
Dock to element. Tim, standing by. Secure the area and we'll evacuate the officer.
Provide support.
Right with you.
Don't want to be alone. That's right. Keep on.
Ram it. Clear with stingers.
Got it. Swap with me.
Switch with me.
Taking it down.
Your hands where I can see them. Don't run.
Opening on the right.
All right, I'm down.
Chem light. Moving into handcuff.
Clear over here, boss.
Flop. Checking.
Everything's ready to go.
Civilian is secured.
Dock to lead. Notifying trailers.
Get on the ground, now! Don't move. Stay put.
Ay, Dios mío.
Element to talk. Civilians standing by for trailers.
Dock here. Trailers notified.
What did I do?
Fall in.
On you.
Yeah, right.
Drop it.
Drop the weapon and put your head. Get on the fucking ground. Do it now.
Try harder than that.
Ella, get down and put your hands up.
Open and bang it.
Backing.
I didn't do anything.
Got an opening up ahead.
LSPD.
I got nothing here.
Remain safely
got it.
indoors.
Searching under the desk.
You're not in trouble. Don't worry.
Or believes they have information
Civilian is
related
cuffed
to
and
the
good to go.
situation.
Shock.
Dock to entry team.
911
Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
do not leave
On
your
me.
home.
Move.
Got your back.
Open the door and flash it.
I'm moving into place. Swap with me. Flash out. Switch.
I'm going.
On the right. I got nothing here.
Looks clear over here, boss.
You gonna let me go or what?
Good here.
Securing the area for
Still
this
here,
mission.
you know.
Stay on me.
Behind you.
Hey, Piggy, which way to market? Make me
Freeze! Police, don't move! Down on your knees! Get down on your knees! Hands up!
Down. Got him.
fucking cops are here.
Stay down.
Got it back.
Securing.
You
need
pigs
to
think
talk.
you're so big and
Suspect
bad.
ready.
Lead, this is Doc. Trailers ready.
We will. Switching back.
I'll zip it up.
Push the... LSPD, hands up!
Drop the weapon and police, get down! Drop the weapon and get hands up, do it now! Police, down on the ground!
I ain't scared of doing time.
Don't make this worse on yourself.
Fucking
Entry team to
This
top.
is Talk.
Suspect
Nice
secure.
work,
Ready for
entry
pickup.
team. First round's
The
on me
LSPD
tonight.
have advised that they are dealing with a situation and request that all members of the public remain safely indoors. Anybody who has information about the incident or believes they have information pertinent to the situation should contact 911. Please be advised to not leave your home. We have no concrete details at this time, but it